Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this issue, we will recommend a powerful AI face swapping software, CFaceLIVE. This software supports real-time camera face change, video face change, picture face change, real-time face change live broadcast, real-time face change video call, and also supports real-time voice change function, one-click background change function in the live broadcast room and other functions. Next, I'll take you to try it out. Let me introduce the basic distribution of our software. Our section has four major functions. The first function is that we can support the use of the camera to make an input, and we can use the camera, mobile phone or our virtual camera as an input source to draw a face in real time. The second feature is our real-time video face drawing function. We can provide a video to the software and we can go through this feature. The third feature is our image face swapping function. We can use pictures to make a one-click face swap through our software. The fourth feature is our screen capture feature. We can use this function to capture a certain area of our screen and perform a real-time live face swap. This is the first feature of our software. This area is our real-time voice changing function. We can use the real-time voice changing function to switch the voice from male to female, female to male, or we can train our vocal model to do a real-time voice change. This area in the middle is our preview window. This area is a preview window of our camera, the original soundtrack, and when we are doing a live broadcast, this window will show a real-time original soundtrack. The second window is the face recognition window of our software. When we are live streaming, this AI will automatically recognize our faces. The third preview window is a preview window about the model, and we need to replace some models, and the faces of these models will be recognized in this area. The fourth window is a window of the face after our fusion replacement. Our replaced face will be displayed in this window in real time. This area in the middle is our background carding section. When we are live broadcasting, we can use our function to change the background of the live broadcast room in real time. We can provide some materials in the live broadcast room in advance. For example, we can provide some live broadcast on the beach, indoor live broadcast, or a live broadcast background replacement in our work area. This function can achieve a replacement. The face recognition function in the lower left corner uses the face as the detection plate. The function of this section is that it will be displayed when we are live or in our original video. If there are 2 or 3 people, we can lock this function and replace a person's face with a function. We can also lock and replace other people's faces. This section is our beautification function. With this beautification function, we can adjust our facial features, such as the width of the face, the size of the eyes, and the height of the nose, etc. when entering the original video, so as to achieve our ideal effect. This area is our model storage area. We store the pre-trained model in this location. We can choose our model to make a replacement when we are live broadcasting. Just click on our model. The bottom part of the middle is our model adjustment section. We can adjust it according to the effect of our live broadcast. During the live broadcast, we can adjust our fusion degree and a face feature after the face change and the adjustment of color, including the clarity of our face. This section is our preview window settings section, which we can adjust after the real-time face change. The size of our preview window can be determined by the height and width, or we can call up the size of our preview window according to the effect. In addition, we can use this function to show the effect of our face before and after the change. The bottom right plate is our storage plate. When we change the face of the video or the picture of the face, we can save the video or picture of our face change in real time through this section and store it to a location we specify. The section on the far right of the software is our streaming section. The function of this section is that when we are live in real time, we can use our real-time preview screen to push a real-time stream through the push URL. We can directly stream to our OBS or our short video platform for real-time ingestion. This section in the bottom right part of the software is our working directory window. This working directory window is when we are executing tasks in the software, and this area will show which directory our software is executed to and which steps together. This will be displayed in this window. The above is a working area of CFaceLIVE that I demo to you, including the basic functions of the work, and the basic distribution diagram of the workbench. If you don't understand anything when you are using it, you can send us a private message, we will send it to you privately in the background, and I hope you can click to subscribe. That's all for this video, we'll see you next time.
Hold on, the following shows the finished product after our face transplantation.
My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water, eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya.